guys, Tony here. Upon working on this bench and reviewing some of the videos I've been editing, I noticed that the bench hasn't been cleaned for a while. Usually I do it once a year, where I just clean it all up and re-oil it, and it's nice and clean. It's got a few stains everywhere, but those stains don't go. Some of the stains are coffee. They don't go into the wood because I've got oil. I oil this up, and just oil, no varnish, and so usually it's what I put on it is tung oil. And I've got tung oil because I've got a big can and I've had it for a while, and I usually do this once a year, but I haven't, like I said, I haven't done it since I've come back. I was out of the workshop almost, well, for 13 months, so I haven't cleaned it. So today I'm going to clean it. I'm going to show you how I do it. It's very simple, very easy to do. I don't waste my time sanding because I don't like sanding. I don't like the dust, and I just don't like sanding. So I'm just going to do it with a hand plane at the finest of shavings. And if I need to sand a little bit, I'll sand a little bit after. But first, the hand plane will just take all this shit out. So that's what I'm going to do. And you can watch as I do it. It'll just happen like double, triple, probably 4 times the speed, or 8 times or something. I think there is a twist on my table. This corner keeps coming off and I can't get into there. Couldn't get into there with the number 4. The smoother should be able to get into all valleys, and I couldn't get into there. Took a bit of work, it's sharp. We're gonna need a bigger rag. See the difference. Difference. This serves two purposes. I was tired of things falling over into behind, and this is heavy, you can't move it. So I pulled it out and I put this board here, screwed it on, so then nothing can fall that way. And it's just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. If I want to take it out for whatever reason, I take it out. So this sits on top of that and it slides. Problem is, I put a shim in there too. Problem is this, I don't know if it's swollen or what, but it doesn't slide really well. So what I want to do, just give it a couple of passes with a hand plate on this side. Heard someone else doing woodwork somewhere. I could hear a circular saw. One of the neighbours somewhere. The dust brings up my allergies. I just recorded the whole process, everything I just did, and then when I went to check it, nothing was recorded. There was no video. I cleaned this. I hand planed it. I flattened it because it had gone cupped on this side. It was all cupped. So I planed it flat, clean. I oiled it 3 times with tung oil, and then I let it sit for about 2 weeks. Only because I haven't been in the workshop for 2 weeks. Can't seem to find my mojo. I left it. I lost it somewhere early last year. So I came in today, gave it a bit of a wax, all on the surface, all on the edges here, and this board, front, top and back. Have a look at this. No wheels on this. So that's cool. And then I sanded it. Didn't sand it, I buffed it with a sander. I just put a bit of flannelette cotton on this. You switch it on and just go to town on it, and now it's like glass. But for the first time ever, this has had a wax coat on it. I've never waxed it before. I've always oiled it, that's it. But this time I waxed it. So it feels really smooth, man, and it's just really nice with this. Woohoo! Super happy about that. I got a cleaned up box out. It's just turned into a junk box. So it's just supposed to be for the pencil sharpener, for the tape measure. There's my top, all finished, clean, feels nice and waxy, not sticky or anything, it feels nice. It's never been waxed before. Alright, until the next video.